Hello, 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 how are you? This is Els, and I am coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. I'm cleaning some stuff up. Hold on a second. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Oh, okay, we'll put those over there. Get that over there. Get these picked up. Turn that over. Okay. So, yesterday, I got this in the mail. And I'm a little confused. I'm not exactly sure. Somebody said that they had sent me something and they were waiting for me to get it, but this is not from that person. So I'm thinking they may have bought this in a sale and sent it to me. So let's... Scissors are not working. My head's not working today. I apologize. This is my day off and I'm half asleep. My head is killing me. So let's take a look. There we go. Okay. Get out one of our scalpels. We'll go down the side here. I think that's going to be harmless. Okay. So let's see. There is a card. It says, Els, this book is a gift from Steffi G. Enjoy. Much love, Malia. There's a strawberry lemonade orange blossom tea in there. Very cute. I always do this when somebody buys something from me, and they want me to send it to somebody else. I always put in a little card or something, just because I want them to know who it came from, So to me, this is always a lovely touch because not many people do this. I have gotten packages where it's just like, where did this come from? So this is a little bit bigger than just sliding it out of the bags. Let's go ahead. Well, it's a book and it's very old. Oh. Okay, that's everything. So I believe that Steffi G probably bought this in one of Lovely Malia's sales. And this is a Charlie Brown book. Yep, Steffi G. And it's a question and answer book for Charlie Brown. And if you don't know, I call my husband Charlie Brown. I'm always telling him, you're a good man, Charlie Brown. I always joke that if I ever find a Charlie Brown t-shirt in his size, I'm going to buy it. But this is stinking adorable. And I am going to put this on my bookshelf. I'm not going to chop this up. I am going to put this on my bookshelf. And save this, for future generations. I will probably put some bookbinding tape on the edge here to keep the cover on it. Steffi, this is gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you so much. I assure you that it will be much loved. I'm going to get the little sticker off the back here that tells. See how that is? That tells the weight. I think that's masking tape. That's cool. Okay. So we're going to get that off of there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll get some bookbinding tape to preserve this so that it doesn't lose its spine completely. And I'm going to put this up on the shelf and I'm going to save it for my grandkids. Because this is adorable. And Steffi, thank you so much. Malia, thank you for sending this on its way. I appreciate you. Beautiful little card. Thank you so much for that. And we'll try the tea. Strawberry lemon orange blossom. You know what? This is right up Charlie Brown's alley. He loves strawberry lemonade. So we'll give that a try. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you. I don't often get happy mail, but when I do, It is gorgeous. All right, so until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.